Hi guys, welcome to the continuation of our time intelligence functions. It's a part of our DAX series. So in this particular video, I'll explain how to use DATEADD function and parallel period. And just a quick reminder, you can go through what we did in previous lessons. So you can see how we have previously confirmed, and we wrote DAX for all these measures that we're using in our visual. So you can see 1 year for previously confirmed, and there was one we wrote for previous quarter confirmed. Sorry, for previous quarter confirmed. Sorry, and there was one for previous month confirmed. Previous month. So we want to try and recreate these same values or measures, but using a different method. So I'll explain how to do this using two functions in that. So one is DATEADD function, and the other one is parallel period. So let me just get right to this. So I have a prompt here explaining functions we're going to use. You have one DATEADD for the month, DATEADD for day, parallel for last month, and parallel for last quarter. And I'll explain how this works when we implement them. So first off, let's start from DATEADD day actually. Okay, so I'm going to create a new measure here, a new measure, and I'm going to name this. What do I name this? I'm going to name this DATEADD on day or previous day DATEADD, just to distinguish between these two. Because I'm going to name this previous day DATEADD, previous day DATEADD, and formula is going to be equal to a calculate function still for our total confirmed cases. And I want to filter here by the DATEADD function. And you can see what it does very quickly. Prompt here says that it moves the given set of dates by a specified interval. So now, why I want to do this context is I want to return values for previous day. Basically, I want to get confirmed cases, but then move my dates by 1 day, so I get values for the previous day. I'll do this very quickly, and I'm going to use this. So it takes three arguments. One is a date column. I'm going to use my date column and our date table that we created here. Next is number of intervals. So I want this to go back one place backwards. So I can use -1 here. If you want this to go one place forward, you can use just one. If you want it to go 2 days backwards, you can use -2. Now intervals, and the interval is going to be on day because we want to go back 1 day, and then that's going to be the function for the previous day date add. And then very quickly we can see if it works the way I expect it to work. So on this table that we have here, I'm going to add previous day date add what we just created now. And very quickly you can see that it has the same values previously confirmed. So these are confirmed cases for each day. For example, on the 23rd of March, you have 10. On the previous day, there was 8 cases, and data gets that for you. Sorry, you have 8 cases also. So it works. Next, let's try this same function on a monthly basis. So let's get values for this same period last month. So it's very similar to what I just did now. The difference is just as opposed to moving back 1 day on day, we're going to move back one on month. We want to have a new measure here. We want to name this previous month date add. Previous month date add. Previous is going to be also a calculate function also. I'll confirm the measure we created. I also have my DATEADD function here. Use the same date column that I just used. Go back one places on month. Enter. And very quickly we can confirm that this works also. I'm going to expand this guy. So I have space for this new measure here. Previous month confirmed, and you can see very quickly that it does compute the same values that you have for previous month confirmed, previous month data there. So it works. And that's good. So next we want to do for quarter. But then something very interesting to note here is that data is not going to work on quarter because basically what it does is starts from the starts calculating from the first date in your date column. And if you ask it to give you the previous quarter from the first date, it's not going to give you 139, it's going to give you just one because you don't have any date before February 27th or February 2020. So instead of using date hard to get the previous quarter, I'm going to use parallel period.